Good morning and reporting live from the Old Dominion. Welcome back to Virginia. Headed today towards Wintergreen Resort, located in Nellysford, Virginia. What a day it is. Excited to get on the hill. Today we're working with 1,003 feet of vertical, about 36 total trails here at the resort. 19 are open, according to the ski report this morning. Excited to see if one of these Virginia resorts can get into the 3.0 range. Wintergreen's got 2 total 6-pack lift, high-speed lift chairs. Looks like there's a lot of lodging around. Looks like it's pretty family friendly if you're wondering about that. This has been a great winter so far, especially for the mid-Atlantic. You know, we've gotten a lot of snowfall. I'm looking at snow on the ground around me, so I couldn't be happier, honestly. Touring around the mid-Atlantic. Last year was a little bit of a letdown, but you know, it's skiing regardless, so that's what it's all about, right? We're all about the shred, so it doesn't matter if there's nothing on the ground. If we're skiing mud, maybe we're mudsliding, that's fine too. Looking forward to getting to the resort today, shredding some turns, and let's get ripping. Well, we're all wrapped up here at Wintergreen Resort located in Nellysford, Virginia. What a day it was out there. Got some good turns in. I'm going to give this place a 3.4 shred score as well. The runs were pretty good condition today. It definitely got a little icy there on the Highland section that they opened. I guess they didn't even open that portion of the mountain last year. If you're looking to get out to Wintergreen, this is definitely the season. Head on over. I recommend coming out here with your family. It's like there's a lot of lodging up here. It looks like there's a lot of condos and whatnot. Looking forward to getting to my next hill. Looks like we're going to conclude Virginia. Might be a little surprised, but we're going to get to finish out all the resorts in Virginia. Looking forward to getting out there, and I'll see y'all next time.